Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha from Bags of Style, and in today's video we're actually going to be unboxing a beautiful bag from Coach, and I'm actually going to be doing a story time for you guys and telling you how I was able to get this bag at half off. So let's go ahead and open it. As you guys can see, this is the box from Macy's. I'm going to use my really pretty unboxing pen. Not pen, but box cutter. So you got the box right here from Macy's. And one thing with Macy's, I could tell you guys, honestly speaking, the package is not going to come up pretty or anything. So it just has a little tissue paper that says Macy's on there. And then it has the bag and a little like plastic seal and stuff like that. But just the FYI, the dust bag is inside of the bag, but this is the one from Macy's. That's the tissue paper that it came in. And like I said, so this is the Coach Pillow Madison bag, and they call it the coral color, but it kind of looked like a salmon pink to me. It has like more of a pink undertone than of an orange undertone, but I do love it anyway. So I love this bag. Macy's wrapped it up. It has in the bag right now. So what I'm going to end up actually doing is bringing the one that I got from Coach, because like I told you guys, I ordered this bag I think 3 times now. So this is the Coach one. This is the one that came from Coach with the box and everything, with the Coach box. But just the FYI, with the Coach one, I actually stated that it was a gift, so they were able to put in the gift box. So let's go ahead and open it real quick. All right, let me see if I can open it with my hands. The box do feel like thick and heavy though, so that's completely different. So now let's see. Let me get my little box cutter real quick. All right, so we're going to open it right now. Okay. So like I stated, this is the one from Coach. Comes in the Coach bag with the tissue, with the brown tissue paper and the horse and carriage logo, and then you got the Coach on the top. Alrighty. And it comes with the beautiful Coach box with the brown ribbon and a little thank you card. But on the bottom, it does have my receipts on there. You'll see it soon when I move the box out of the way. So you see, you got the receipt on the box right there. All right. So this is the same bag, but from Coach. And this is the receipt that said thank you. Well, it's not the receipt, it's just the thank you card. Thank you for ordering from Coach. And the brown little ribbon, which I love. I think it's just so pretty. It's like a nice brown. So let's go ahead and open it. And it's wrapped up really nice. Another tissue paper right there with the logo, the horse and carriage logo. Now, okay, let's get the tissue paper. And like you guys can see, it's in the dust bag, the same color. So let's get it out of the dust bag. Let's move the box out this way. And let's get it out of the dust bag. This dust bag, they tied it really good. And the same bag. Like I stated, I ordered this bag 3 times. So I'm going to be telling you guys the story time on how I was actually able to get this bag from way more than 50% off. So I think that's like the most exciting part. But as you can see, got the back pocket. You flip the little thing in between the letter. It has the opening right here. Let's take off the stuffing real quick. So I just can show you the amount of space that this bag has. And just another thing is that this bag is giving me the Chanel 19 price, but without the Chanel 19 price, if you guys know what I mean. So it has like a little suede material inside of it. And then on the back end, it's all leather. I think this is the Napa leather as well. And then you have the front cover, which also have like the suede lining in it. That suede lining feels so good. And it's the same color of that coral color. And then the back as well has the same kind of microfiber or suede type of material lining on there. And it does come with the magnet, which is like really strong. So that's a good thing. It gives you, it does feel so pillowy. But just another thing is that if this bag is hard to close, if stuff are not in there. So this is the two bags right here. The back one is from Coach. The front one is from Macy's. So like I was saying, the story time is this bag retailed for $4.97. It's a fairly new bag from Coach. So I wanted this bag. I love this color. I was kind of between this color and the white color. But I was like, let me do something different because most of my bags are neutral white. So I wanted a little bit of a pop of color, especially for summertime. So anyway, but I wasn't willing to pay the $4.95 price, which is honestly not a bad price at all for this type of bag because this bag is made so well. But anyway, so I was like, you know what, let me wait because usually Coach has sales and this might be on sale, but I wasn't 100% it will be on sale because usually when Coach has brand new stuff, especially with this type of made and everything, they don't usually put it on sale that quick. But anyway, so I was like, let's see. So I end up ordering this bag from a site called 24S, which is owned by LVMA, which also own Louis Vuitton. So they had this bag at 20% off, and I was super excited. I was like, ooh, 20% off? You can't beat that. I'm going to order the bag. End up ordering the bag. The bag came beautiful as how it is right now. So I was like, oh, nice. Forgot about it. Had the bag for like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. And I went back on the 24S website and noticed that it was on sale for 30% off instead of 20. So it dropped the price down to $346. And I was like, oh, wow. Okay, well, let me call them and see if they can honor it since I just purchased the bag. So I contact 24S and they inform me, unfortunately, they won't be able to honor it. What I can do is return the bag and then reorder it at this new price, which honestly did not make sense to me, but hey, it's their policy. So anyway, so I end up going on the Coach website and noticed that Coach actually has a sale that's currently going on. So I was like, oh, okay, well, I was scrolling through the sales and noticed that this exact color, this is the only color that's actually on sale. All of the other colors, it comes in like 4 different colors on the Coach website. You got this, you got the Chuck, which is the white one, you got the all black one, gray one, and I think a blue one, but I'm not sure. But I've seen other YouTube videos that has like the army green and some other colors. But anyway, this was the only one that was on sale. So it was on sale. It was the same price as the 24S of $346.50 on the Coach website. So I said, you know what though? I'm going to return the 24S. I will take my extra 10%. So I returned the one that I ordered from 24S and end up getting this from Coach for 30% off, which was $346 and some change. Plus tax. So I was super excited, ordered it, waiting. And then I wanted to order something else. I end up going on the Macy's website because usually Macy's where I usually get some, household things. So I went on the Macy's website and something told me just to check their sale because they had a sale that's I'm not sure if it's still current by the time I post this video, but they had a sale that they're running. And I looked and see this bag was on sale and this color was on sale. The other colors, like I said, are still not on sale. So Macy's had this bag at $237. Yes, which is more than 50% off the retail price. So you know what I did? I ordered it as well. I was super excited. I was like, you know what though? When they come in, I'll just return the Coach one and keep the Macy's because it's 50% off. Who can say no to a 50% off for a brand new bag that's on the Coach website currently and the Coach retail website? So anyway, I ordered it and literally a week later, I went back on the Macy's website and this bag had dropped from $237 that I initially paid to $207. Yes, you hear me right. It dropped to $207. So I contact Macy's customer service because I do have a credit card with them and told them, hey, I just ordered this bag. Can you guys honor the price of what it is right now of the $207? And they were very happy to do it. They said definitely they can go ahead and honor it and then give me a refund back on my credit card for the difference. I said, oh, perfect. That's great. So, yeah, if you guys calculate it, that's way more than 50% off this bag that I got. So let's put back the Macy's one down, and we're just going to go through the bag just really quickly. It's giving me the Chanel 19 like I said. Then but on the Coach price. The bag is simply beautiful. It's so beautiful. And one thing that I've seen a lot of people worrying about is the leather that's on the seat. They feel like over time it's going to wear out because you got to open and close the little clasp. But honestly, I'm not worrying about that. I feel like at the end of the day, with the price that I pay for this, it's okay. Like I said, you see, it has a really good amount of space. I'll probably do another video that said what's in my bag, just to so we can see how much space it fit. So it has the front pocket right here. You have the big old open space on the back. You also have that zipper right there where you can actually put other stuff in. And they also have the Coach little branding on the back, the story tag, I think that's what they call it. But you see, you have the zip on the back, and then you also have another back space. And I do love this little leather detail on the chain. Like I said, giving me that Chanel 19 vibe. And on the grommet, it has the Coach label on there. This bag is simply beautiful, and it feels so good on the hand. Like, it's so pillowy soft. Like, I'm telling you. And I think, like I said, I think it is the Napa leather that they use for this. So I'm not sure over time how it's going to wear. But if you guys, we'll see. We'll see how it wear. We'll do another review of it. We'll do what's in my bag. So if you guys like contents like this, if you can like, comment, and subscribe, and join me on this crazy journey of bag exploration from luxury to contemporary. And also let me know what you guys want to see more of on this channel. Comment and let me know if you want to see what's in my bag, do you want to see vlog, do you want to see unboxing, whatever it is, I would definitely get it done. Have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Bye.